Low-fat diet plan for weight loss. It's true that a weight reduction plan high in fats can cause weight gain. But it takes extra than just ingesting low-fat meals to lose weight. You have to additionally watch how many calories you eat. Remember, your body shops greater calories as fat, even if they arrive from fat-free, trans fats-free, and low-fat ingredients. If you replace excessive fats ingredients with high-calorie ingredients, like sweets, you'll likely benefit weight as opposed to lose weight. To lose weight, you want to burn extra energy than you consume. You can do that by way of exercising greater and by eating less fats and fewer energy. How much fat should I eat? Experts recommend that most adults get 20% to 35% of their day-by-day calories from fats. That's approximately 44 to 77 grams of fat a day in case you eat 2,000 energy a day. Read vitamins labels on food packages. Nutrition labels display the variety of grams of fats per serving and calories consistent with serving. Eat quite a few lower fat foods to get all of the nutrients you need. Eat lots of plant meals, including whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and a moderate amount of lean and low-fat, animal-based meals, meat and dairy products, to help control your fats, cholesterol, carbs, and calories. When you are shopping, choose lean meats, fish, and poultry. Limit these to 5-7 ounces consistent with day. Other exact low-fat assets of protein consist of dried beans and peas, tofu, low-fat yogurt, low-fat or skim milk, low-fat cheese, and tuna packed in water. Choose meals rich in omega-3 fatty acids which include salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts for coronary heart health. The American Heart Association recommends consuming fatty fish consisting of salmon 2 times weekly for the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. 5 tips for low-fat cooking. 1. Trim all visible fats and get rid of the pores and skin from poultry. 2. Refrigerate soups, gravies, and stews, and cast off the hardened fat on pinnacle before ingesting. Bake, broil, or grill meats on a rack that allows fats to drip from the meat. Don't fry ingredients. 3. Sprinkle lemon juice, herbs, and spices on cooked vegetables rather than the use of cheese, butter, or cream-based totally sauces. 4. Try plain, non-fat or low-fats yogurt and chives on baked potatoes in preference to sour cream. 5. Reduced fats bitter cream nevertheless has fats, so limit the quantity you use. Thanks for watching our weight loss diet plan videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.